Now, how to find any movie name using Manus AI. Now here, in case you don't know the name of the movie, what you do here is to screen record the movie here. Now, after screen recording the movie, what you do here is to open your Manus AI. And what you do is to upload it here like this. Now click on add from local files here. And go to the storage where you save the screen record. Now you can see I screen record it here. And click on the screen record. Now type this prompt, find this movie name, and here send it by clicking this up arrow here, and wait for it to find it. You can see Manus is thinking. You can also type this, what is the name of this movie? Here you can see it. You can also type this in order to find it. Here is the movie name here. You can see the movie name here, the movie title here, you can see it, and even the year of release here, many things. What you do now is to copy the movie name. You can see here, copy it here. There is another way you can find it also here, by sharing the movie link like this here. Click on share video. Here I'm using X for an example, and click on share via here. Now here click on copy link, copy the movie link. Go back to Manus AI. Now start a new task with Manus AI like this. Now here paste the link here, and then type this prompt like this. Let me type it and then explain. And send it by clicking this up arrow here, and wait for the results. Now here you can see the movie name here. You can copy it by pressing on it and then select it like this. You can see how I select it like this. Now click on copy. Now you can see the movie name. Now here, this is helpful if you came across the movie you like on social media and then you want to watch it. This is how you can find any movie name. So if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the playlist on the screen. You might find it helpful. See you there and have a great day. Peace.